Hey, how's it going everyone? In this video here, you are going to find out how to fix this annoying problem on Windows 10. When you're trying to go to the web, it says can't connect to the proxy server. And if you're using Google Chrome, it says unable to connect to the proxy server. So basically, any website you go to, if you have this issue, it displays the same error, can't connect to the proxy server. So altogether, this problem prevents you from going to the internet. Very annoying problem, very serious too. But here's the good news, it's really easy to fix this problem, and there are many ways to fix it. So in this video you are going to find out 4 different ways to fix this problem. Now if one of these ways for some reason is not working for you, then you can try another way, but by the end of this video you should be able to fix this problem for good. Alright, so now to really fix this, you need to know what is the cause of this problem. Well, this problem is usually caused when you or another program accidentally enable a proxy server, which is disabled by default on Windows. So you and another program must have accidentally enabled a proxy server. And so to fix that, you need to disable that proxy server. Okay, so here's how you can do that. So now you're gonna go right here to the bottom left corner of the screen, and then you're gonna click the start button right there. Click the start button. Alright, and then you're gonna click on where it says settings. Click start and then click on settings. Alright, so now you're gonna click on where it says network and internet, and then on the left side, you're gonna click on where it says proxy. Alright, so now this is what you should look for, where it says manual proxy setup. Okay, and so where it says use a proxy server right here, click this to turn this feature off. So doing this will turn off the proxy server. As you can see, for some reason I'm using this weird address, and this is what causing the errors. It cannot connect to this address. So now turn this off, and here you go, the proxy server is not off. So now let us test the internet to see if it is working now. Okay, so now I'm going to open Microsoft Edge, which is basically the Microsoft new version of Internet Explorer on Windows 10. So I'm going to open Microsoft Edge. Okay, and I'm going, as you can see, it's already working, the home page. But now let me test google.com out. Go to google.com and then the website, and here you go, it is working just fine. And if I do a random Google search, let me type Google, and as you can see here too, it is working just fine. So this should fix your problem. Okay, so now what if for some reason you can access that setting, or it's just not working for you? Well, here's another way to fix this. Here's a second way to fix this issue. Another way you can fix this issue is by using the system restore tool. So what exactly is a system restore tool? Well, the system restore tool, what it does is that it allows you to restore your computer back to an earlier date. Okay, so now say that this problem started for you today, and 2 days ago you did not have this problem. So you can use the system restore tool to restore back to 2 days ago before the problem started. Okay, and so it's completely safe. It does not remove your files, so completely safe to use system restore tool. So now to use that tool, you're gonna go right here to the bottom left corner of the screen. You're gonna go right there, except this time you're going to right click. You're going to right click the bottom left corner of the screen, and then you're gonna click on where it says run. Okay, click on where it says run. So now right here you are going to type this rstrui.exe. rstrui.exe. Here it is. Okay, and if you can memorize it, all of these instructions will be in the video description, so you can copy it from there and paste it here. So click OK or press enter, and then as you can see, here is the system restore tool. Alright, so now click next, and so now right here you can choose a date. Make sure you choose a date before the problem started. So click next, and then click finish to start the system restore, which will take around 20 minutes. And so this should fix your problem. Okay, so now what if this is not working for you so far? So far, both of these methods we just learned are not working for you. What if it's not working for you? Well, in that case here, you can do is a factory reset. Basically, what a factory reset does is that it restores your computer back to the way it was when you first bought it. So a factory reset basically makes your computer brand new. It makes you have a fresh start. And so this should definitely fix your issue. If nothing else is working, this should definitely fix your issue. 99% chance that it will fix your issue here. Alright, so to do a factory reset, you're gonna go right here to the bottom left corner of the screen again, to the bottom left corner, right here, and then you're gonna click where it says settings. Click on settings. Okay, click on settings, and now you're gonna click on where it says update and security, and then you're gonna click on where it says recovery. Alright, and so you should see this option that says reset this PC. It says, as you can see, if your PC isn't running well, resetting it might help. This lets you choose to keep your files or remove them and then reinstall Windows. So a fresh start, and so this should fix your problem. So now click on get started right here. Alright, so once you click on that, you should see two options. The first one says keep my files, and the second one says remove everything. You should choose the first option because it says keep your files. And so what it does, this keeps your files, but it removes the programs. Alright, here's an example. Suppose that you have Microsoft Word and then you have some Word documents. So in that case, Microsoft Word is the program and the Word documents are the files. So what this will do, it would remove Microsoft Word, but it would keep the files. Okay, and of course you can always reinstall the programs later on by yourself. So choose the first option, it's best. But if you want a completely fresh start, completely, and you want to remove everything, doesn't matter, choose the second option. Okay, so choose an option, and so this should fix your issue. Alright, so now remember we said we're gonna find out 4 ways to fix this issue. He used the fourth way. The fourth way, I don't really recommend it because you have to dig through the settings a lot, but it does work. But you have to be willing to venture deep into your PC and tweak some things. The fourth way involved messing around with the Windows registry, and so to find that, we're gonna go to the internet settings in the registry, which is located in this location: HKey current user software Microsoft Windows current version internet settings. Here it is. Okay, so now to open the registry, we're gonna click the start button right here at the bottom left corner of the screen, right there. So click right there, and this time you're going to type regedit. Type regedit right here. Here you go, regedit. So click start, then type regedit, and then click on regedit right here. Okay. Alright, and so this should bring up the registry editor. Here it is. And so remember, we are looking for this location, and right here, let me expand this a bit here. Okay, so right now we're looking for this location right now. This is the location we are looking for. So now you're going to expand each of these folders. Okay, so now as you can see, the first folder is HKey current user, so we're going to expand that. So expand HKey current user, expand that, and now expand software. Let's see, software, HKey current user, software. All right, here it is. I'm kind of blind. Software, and now expand Microsoft. Here it is. Expand, and now expand Windows. Here it is, and now expand current version. Here it is, and now expand internet settings. All right, go right here. Let me expand this here to see. All right, here's internet settings. So click this one right here, click this folder, and so now you should see all these registry values, all these scripts, all these registry values. So now you want to delete these files. Okay, migrate proxy, proxy enable, proxy server, and proxy override. So make sure you delete these. So migrate proxy, you should see it here. There it is. Right click and select delete. Okay, so delete all these proxy servers, the proxy enable, proxy server, and proxy override. So delete these four options, and then after doing that, you're going to restart your PC, and then this should hopefully fix your issue. But only use this method if you feel like exploring a bit. Okay, and so that's all for this video. And so this method should fix your problems with the can't connect to the proxy server issues that you are having. All right, and so if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.